Yeah.
Alright. Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're gonna make a video on the Z today. I know I haven't seen you guys in a minute, but we're gonna be installing some splats today. I got this from Ionic Dynamics. Same place I got my roof spoiler, my side skirts, and my passenger cowl. If you're a Z32 owner, the passenger cowl is notorious for breaking, so if you guys need a new one, be sure to go to them. I'll leave the link in the description. But yeah, so first off, we're just going to start by, I want to jack up the car, take off the side skirts and everything, and then we're going to start by removing the wheels too. Yeah, I always I need to mount these side skirts right too, because there's only like 2 screws holding it in. Like look, this fucking screw's like coming out. It's not even like in there, dude. Terrible. I don't even know how this is. I have like 1 screw up here too. That's pretty much it. Yeah, this is like what's holding it on. Not even this is mounted either. Look how brand new this thing looks.
You get the ratchet wrenches.
I know. I got this one. Huh? What?
I love them. I lose them so often.
I only have 1 and it's a 17.
I put them in my, I go drive and I put them in my hood and they fly away.
Really?
I'm an idiot. Because like I'll like fix something really quick. Leave a 10 mil down there. Not good.
Yeah, that's shitty.
What the fuck is this? No. Where's this fucking...
Honestly, like these self-tappers are actually pretty good. I think so.
It's not proper.
It's not proper. Alright. It's fucking finally off. There you go, take this. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, hopefully my friend. I just asked my friend if he could use his jack stands. He lives like right down the street. Yeah. Figure this out.
Wait, where's the other? Wait, do the same thing with the other one, like that. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, look, it was like that. I was just putting it on totally wrong.
How are you gonna install it?
Well, I mean, this is how it's supposed to sit. So like, maybe like bolt right here, and then like bolt right here. I have some tappers though. What? What do you gotta say? What? Why are you smiling?
No self taps. No.
We gotta go to AutoZone or some hardware store to get some self tappers because the mudguards that I got, they're pretty thick, and the self tappers that I have are way too small. So brought this with me so I can figure it out super fast because it's like 6 o'clock. I want to get this done before like 7 or something because it should not take this long to fucking put on some mud guards. But yeah, so we're gonna head to Morro Bay. It'll probably take us like 15 minutes and we'll be right back. Right there.
Jesus Christ.
So we had to go to Ace Hardware to get some screws because the ones that we had weren't gonna fit. But we're back now, fucking finally. It took us, what, like, dude, almost an hour, honestly.
Going on.
Just do the top one, I guess. That'd be easier. And then line the fucking...
I would do it right down here.
Right down here.
Is there a fat space? Yeah, right there. Boom. Last it was better.
So, that was pretty much it. You want to do the other side now?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's put the shit on there. If anybody wants to buy these wheels, they're for sale. They're 18 by 9.5 with 265/35 Toyo Proxy Sport T1s, and the offset's plus 15. So if you're in SoCal or NorCal, please hit me up because I do want to get rid of these wheels. And sorry guys for the bad lighting. I had Harbor Freight like, oh no, like the 10mm. I had these Harbor Freight lights and they just blew out, so can't use them unfortunately. But well, hopefully it'll come out alright.
Like right where the tip of my nail is.
Hold up.
Perfect. Let's get that front on. Awesome. This one came out actually a lot better.
Yeah.
This was that was pretty good.
And then the fitment's a little bit rough. I am gonna go back and like touch it up and make it fit exactly the way I want it to. But I mean, for now, for just like a bolt-on part for replica piece, it fits really well. So if you guys want some like side skirts, they got a bunch of stuff. I'll leave their website in the description. So be sure to check them out for sure. Alright, so my battery's dead. I want to show you guys the splats. So I'm going to hook up this battery so it can charge really quick. And then I'll show you guys these splats because they look fucking dope, honestly. But my homie Michael just showed up. Just posted up, chilling, kind of catching up. Just kind of chilling, hanging out, nothing too crazy, honestly.
My dad just totaled his track car, so that's done for.
No. Yeah, here's.
It's not really totaled,
the
but
new
it's.
one and
Wait.
the old one.
The GTI went off the track at like 80 miles an hour.
No.
Yeah.
So what happened to it?
Well, it broke a ball joint entering a corner and just threw the wheel into the wheel well and bounced around and ruined the whole front end of the car, basically. And he almost rolled it. In the video, you could see it come up.
Wait, can you send me that video?
Yeah, I can show it to you. Yeah. Button Willow.
Holy shit! Yeah.
Scary
That's
shit.
gnarly.
Yeah. I'm trying to help him find replacement parts for it, but
Is it hard?
I think he should just get a new Golf R and sell that thing.
Really?
Have you seen the new Golf R, dude? Oh my god, it's like 400 horsepower all-wheel
Yeah,
drive.
Woo.
He would have fun with that. I think they're like 40 grand plus though.
Really?
Too many monies.
Yeah, fuck that shit, man. Yo, tell me like about your Volvo really quick.
Okay, so it's an 81.
Yes, I replaced it.
Didn't we do this once already?
Yeah.
81.
But like this is actually a different video.
This is an 81 Volvo 242 coupe with its original B21F, and it has turbo all off of a 740 wagon, intercooler, turbo manifold, and everything. Still original Bosch K-Jet fuel injection. It has bigger injectors, twin fuel pumps, Bosch 550 injectors. That's about it.
Basically, way better than my car, obviously. Michael fucking always has the best cars around, honestly. Like, what do you think is gonna be your next car?
I have no idea. I never know. Whatever comes up next. I think I'll keep this one for a while, though.
Yeah. How's the MR2 doing and shit?
He hasn't touched it.
Really?
It's still in the air. Like, he doesn't have time to do anything.
Are you gonna pull it out?
Oh fuck! I almost forgot one thing. I saw this piece of glass here earlier.
Oh. Fuck that. Oh yeah. What's this piece right here? Is that just covers the
That.
Okay.
That's just the timing belt cover.
Okay. That's sweet.
But yeah, my plan is to put like live. I haven't seen this car move in a long time.
I got pulled over in it last week. We thought we were gonna get shot. Oh, that, yeah, the splat.
Oh my god. I like how that just sits on the fender.
Dude, the splats make it look so good.
I like
I ordered the wood. So I got that on the way too.
Nice.
Yeah. Can I see the camera?
Yeah. Dude, when I get my E30 down here.
We just put out the car. I wanted to give you guys a better look at the splats. They look fucking awesome. Yeah, it's like a better look at the splats. They look fucking awesome with the car. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys wanna like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.